Welcome to the boat show. I'm Bill Hackett. Have we got a fishable boat for you? We're at Contender and we're going to check out the 44 ST. Step on board with me and let's see all the details. So this bad boy is a twin step hull for maximum efficiency, power, and speed. Not to mention tricked out with quad Yamaha 450 V8s. Giddy up and go because this bad boy is going to fly 78 miles an hour. Efficiency, we get 0.8 mph or miles per gallon at 55 miles an hour. How fantastic is that? 43 feet, 10 inches long, and 12 feet of beam. Wow, this is really spacious and ready to fish. Even better than that, we got 4 live wells, 3 across the back end, 48 on either the port and starboard side, 35 in the middle, and then an in-floor 100-gallon live well, all glass top. It's a Contender, it's all about fishing, and here it is in the back end. Rocket launchers overhead, we got rod holders, and then back here we have cup holders and rod holders. We have tackle storage galore. Then we have an electrically actuated frigid cooler, and on the starboard side we have a boarding door / bring in that big tuna door. But check out this ethereal blue color, absolutely mind-numbing with this white. Oversized hardtop here, and then we have a forward-facing rear seat, beautiful diamond stitching on there. My wife is absolutely gonna love it. And at the helm, I have a triple LeBrock chair setup. And guess what? The 2 outside chairs. I can pivot out here and I can reel that bad boy in all day long. So we have a curved polycarbonate windshield so I can wear my polarized sunglasses. Even better than that, I have 8624 blacked out Garmin arrays with all my telemetry right at hand. I also have my Yamaha controls, Yamaha joystick. I can keep this bad boy in station or I can ease it in and out of port. I have my switching up here. I also have my Fusion head unit, and look overhead. We can make these JL audio speakers thump, thump, thump. Yes, it is as comfortable as it looks. Totally relaxing up here in this forward-facing lounger. Your wife, my wife, they're gonna love it up here, catch the sun. But let's talk about what's really important. If you have a fish on in the front end, you have plenty of space to fish it or for the mate to get up here and grab that leader for you. Great space up here to fish hard. Again, more rocket launchers, and it's very safe. We have a continuous gunnel height. Man, this is really very fishy. 6'1", plenty of space. Look at this awesome wet head we got here. Of course, it's a retractable head. More importantly, you have tons of storage on here, and you have access to your electronics at the back of the helm. This Contender 44 ST checks all the boxes. What you need to do is check it out yourself. Take it for a sea trial and see what it's all about.